Let's see how to change font in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to change our font into something else. And as you can see right now, we have our font as Aptos. And you can see it up here, right at the top under the font group in the Home tab. Now to change the font, simply highlight the section or the entire document if you want that you want to change the font for. And from here, click on this arrow and you should be able to see all of the different fonts that you can use for your document. And whenever you hover your mouse over a certain font, it should also show a preview of how the font will look like after it is applied. And let's say we want to change it to Times New Roman right here. And as you can see from Aptos, our font has now been changed to Times New Roman. And that is how you can change font in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.